me explain you how to solve problem easily in your life.
This technique right here, this whole technique is used by AI. So you can solve any problem, like also not any problem, but almost every problem in your life.
It starts with the goal and then problem and then solution. First divide all those into these three different goal, problem and solution, right? So once you figure out your goal, like let's say you wanna be a rich, right? Let's say you wanna be rich. This is your goal now. This is your, what is this? This is your goal. Now you wanna be a rich, that's your goal. And then this is your problem. Divide the problem into those states, actions, goal, test and path cost. Let me explain you all of them. So state, here you are the poor right now, so you're gonna be middle class, then rich. Those are the states, different states. Now action, what are the actions you are going to take, right? Like you're gonna be earn money or something like that, right? I'm just explaining this concept into simple step, but it's gonna be more detailed, right? So what are the actions you are going to do from middle poor class to middle class? Those actions write down over here. Or if you are going to be an engineer or something like that, just write all those actions you are going to do. That's what AI do every day to solve any problem. If you ask some question right here, if you ask ChatGPT like how to make noodles, right? It's gonna say the goal is the noodles, and then it's gonna divide the problem into those steps, right? And then the solution is just sequence of steps, like from poor to middle, then middle to rich, right? From like noodle, in case of noodles, like just getting noodles, just buying noodles from the shop, and then doing all the other things sequentially, right? That is what we call the sequence. Now the states, actions. Now goal test is like, first understand your desired goal. Like if you want to be rich, then portrait yourself as the rich, right? Make your own image as a rich guy. You write here, this rich guy, wearing crown, everything, money, family, good family, right? Everything. So make that happen first. Display on your mind. That's a desire. Now path cost, right? Path cost is, there can be other state, right? Poor to middle. You can be poor to broke, right? Broke, right? So when you become a broke, that's like negative money. So you don't decide this, because that's the past cost from here to here. That's a path cost, right? So you don't want to be here, right? Now, if you want to be from poor to middle, you can be poor to something else, like poor to homeless, let's say. But the same thing, right? Homeless. But it's gonna be a minus money, right? Negative money, right? So you wanna be this one. So you wanna be this one, like that. So for example, here, if AI had to solve this one, so how it's gonna solve? So it's gonna be like, let's say goal is the E, right? Here is our goal. Now, first it's gonna divide the problem. Now what are the stats? Those A, B, C, D, E, those are the stats. A, B, C, D, E, those are the stats. It's gonna write over here. Now what are the actions? So it's gonna say, okay, already goal is already E, right? I will say this one is goal for the permanent goal, right? So here, see, desired goal. Now what is the path cost? What is the path cost? Past cost, right? So here it's gonna go over here 25 3, right? It's gonna, there will be algorithm, it's gonna follow every step over here, every step from here. Now finally, then it will find that the path cost is gonna be less if it is from here 10 plus 5, like 15 over here, and then 25 28 over here. So it's gonna choose this path, right? So like same like this, follow the same thing on your life. If you want to be a something, then that's your goal. And then now find the problem. Most of the people do mistakes over here. They don't write the problem like this: states, action, goal, test, path cost, right? So write those into those things: state, action, goal, test, path cost. Once you write all those, then you kind of have a clear mindset. You will understand the problem better. Once you understand the problem better, then you can write all those states: this poor, middle, rich. Or if you are a failure student right now, you will say this is fail. I'm initial state, right? I'm gonna get the 25 marks, then 50 marks, then 100 marks, like that, right? Those states, right? Those states, and how much effort you have to put like path cost from here to here, here to here. Then do the action, 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 or you can desire your goal initially. So like that, so the solution is only a sequence of steps. So you can be, you can solve any problem now, bro. Just follow this step, because this is what the most of the AI right now are following, or every algorithm computer works like this, right? Human psychology works like that. Smart people do like this, right? Smart people accept this method. All right, guys. Thank you. Subscribe, please.